Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we enter the state of Louisiana on I-10 beginning at the Sabine River. We enter Calcasieu Parish, which has an estimated population of 200,601 as of 2016. We're on a concurrency of US Highway 90 here until the first exit in Louisiana. At exit 4, US 90 separates from I-10 and we exit for fuel and to switch drivers. We won't bore you with that video. We actually live streamed from here to New Orleans back on May 6th of 2018, so you may have seen the upcoming footage already. We enter the southern edge of the town of Vinton, which had an estimated population of 3,356 as of 2016. We reached the city of Sulphur with a population of 20,272 as of 2016. Sulphur is named for the sulfur mines that were operated in the area in the 1900s. In 1867, Professor Eugene W. Hilgard, an experienced geologist who was prospecting for oil and other minerals, conducted exploratory borings in Calcasieu Parish and discovered sulfur in the cap rock of a salt dome. However, the sulfur was beneath several hundred feet of muck and quicksand containing deadly hydrogen sulfide gas, which made mining extremely hazardous. Repeated unsuccessful attempts to sink conventional mining shafts in the 1870s and 1880s resulted in the loss of many lives. We conclude today's video at exit 25 where the I-210 bypass around Lake Charles begins. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.